أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today I am making video for fifth kalma, and especially I'm making this video for those who want to teach online Quran in English and Urdu in all over the world. So this is my humble request to all of my dearest friends and Qurrah and Huffaz Akram, Alima and Qaria. Please watch this video and share this video as much as you can, and especially please share on Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Panchwa kalma astaghfar. Fifth kalma astaghfirullah. Hamza zabar sin, asta zabar ghain ta. This ta will connect with the ghain. This is the haruf musta'aliya letter. They were 7 bold letters, haruf musta'aliya letters. So the ghain is one of them. This ta will connect with the ghain, fa fi, and the ra pesh ru. Ru sound will connect with the lam mushadda with the standing zabar, ha zabar ha. Astaghfirullah. Rabbi, ra zabar ba, rabba zir yabi, rabbi. This is the ya madda letter. Mim ze nun min, qa pesh lam qul, lam ze li, qulli, min qulli. After nun sakina, harufe ikhfa letter is, qaf is harufe ikhfa letter is coming, and they were 15 ikhfa letters. So you make a ikhfa here. Min qulli. Ram bin, zal zabar non, ram ba to ze bin, ram bin. You make a iqlab here, and bin you make a izhar here. After nun sakin and tanween, if third letter is coming, then you make izhar here. The bin sound would be clear. Bin. Ar nab tuhu. This is the ba kalkula letter. They were 5 kalkula letters. Kutubu jaddin. When they have jazm sign, they become kalkula letters. So ba is one of them. Ar nab tuhu amadan aw. You make a izhar here. Khata a ikfa sirran izhar. Aw ala niyatan wa atubu. And you make idgham here, because this waw is a haruf yarmalun letter. They were haruf yarmalun letter over 6. Okay, so waw is one of them. Aw ala niyatan wa atubu. This is a waw madda. Waw madda letters were 3. Alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. Ilayhi. This is the yalin. Yalin letters were 2. Waw sakina and ya sakina. When there is a zabar before both of them, they become lean letters. Okay. Ilayhi. Minadham. And you should apply iqlab rule on dham billadhi. Minadham billadhi. This is ya madda. A'lamu wa minadham billadhi la a'lamu. This is the madde munfasil, because after short mad another hamza letter is coming separately. So this is the madde munfasil. There were so many maddas: madde muttasil, madde munfasil, madde lazim, madde leen lazim. Okay, there are so many maddas. So this is the madde munfasil. La a'lamu. Innaka, you make a gunna here. And what is the gunna? To take sound into your nose and hold noon sound for a moment. It's called a nasalization gunna. Innaka anta ikfa. Okay, you make a ikfa here. Anta allamul ghuyubi. وستار العيوب وغفار الذنوب ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. Billah, you will read with tarqiq, the meaning of tarqiq softly, delicately, and billahi, you will read very softly, billahi with tarqiq. Billahi al-aliyyil azim. This is the waqf tam, and there is a tiny ta on waqf tam, and we call it waqf mutlaq. For Urdu medium and for Asian people, India, Indian, Muslim, Pakistani, बांग्लादेश, मैं अल्लाह से माफ़ी मांगता हूँ जो मेरा परवरदिगार है, हर गुनाह से जो मैंने जानबूझकर किया या भूल कर, छुप कर किया या ज़ाहिर होकर, और मैं उसकी बारगाह में तौबा करता हूँ, और उस गुनाह से जिसको मैं जानता हूँ और उस गुनाह से जिसको मैं नहीं जानता। ऐ अल्लाह, बेशक तू गैबों का जानने वाला और ऐबों का छुपाने वाला और गुनाह का बख्शने वाला है, और गुनाह से बचने की ताकत और नेकी करने की तौफीक और नेकी करने की कुव्वत नहीं मगर अल्लाह की मदद से जो बहुत बुलंद अजमत वाला है। I seek forgiveness from Allah, my Lord, from every sin I committed, wittingly or unwittingly, secretly or openly, and I abandon all the sins that I know or do not know. Certainly you are aware of the hidden things and the counselors of the mistakes and the forgiver of the sins, and nobody can save from committing sins or give the power for righteousness except Allah, the greatest and the exalted. Manhood. As Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam grew older, his good manners and truthfulness became well known to all his friends and the people of Makkah. He was noted for his honesty. The people of Makkah respected him and called him Al-Amin, the trustworthy. The people left their goods with him for safekeeping. But Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was disgusted with the people doing wrong around him, and he often went to a cave called Hira. He spent his time there in the remembrance of Allah. A rich widow of Makkah, Hazrat Khutija radiallahu ta'ala anha by name, hearing about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam honesty and truthfulness, asked him to go to Syria for her on a business trip. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back, he gave an account of every dirham. Hazrat Bibi Khutija radiallahu ta'ala anha was completely won over by his honesty and good manners. MashaAllah. I hope so you will like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.